Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best kitty supplies available on the market. The Fashion's Talk Cat Toys Variety Pack. If you're a cat owner looking to keep your furry friend entertained, this might just be the ultimate solution. Let's explore why. This variety pack comes packed with 20 different toys designed to keep your cat engaged and active. It includes everything from cat wand toys, catnip mice, to feather toys and more. Perfect for kittens and adult cats alike, this bundle promises hours of playtime and mental stimulation. One of the standout features is the variety. You get a mix of toys that cater to different play styles, ensuring your cat never gets bored. Each toy is crafted to be durable yet safe for your pet. They're designed to withstand play sessions and keep up with your cat's energy levels. In conclusion, the Fashion's Talk Cat Toys Variety Pack is a top contender for best kitty supplies on the market. With its extensive range of toys, quality construction, and positive customer feedback, it's clear why so many cat owners trust this brand. Whether you're a new cat parent or looking to spoil your feline friend, this pack won't disappoint. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbiased product critiques. Until next time, happy playing with your furry friends.